Hi everybody, Chris Knapp, Vice President, Sales and Alliances with Demand-Driven Technologies. So glad to have Philip Maude with McElroy Manufacturing with me today.
It's helped us really identify and address what our constraints are.
Mm-hmm.
So it becomes very clear when we aren't executing the way that we need to be, what parts we need to be addressing. It has helped us. It has helped us take care of the normal so that we can react to the abnormal. Okay. Even if the abnormal is normal, right?
That's right. So actually your planners and schedulers get to focus on what they were hired to focus on and not play around in spreadsheets.
Exactly.
Oh,
the tool is providing us with the tool is providing us the recommendations and taking care of the standard stuff that maybe the buyers and planners didn't trust before, right? So there's a lot of transparency with the tool that we're using today.